MTorres is a world's leader in the innovation, production and commercialization of aerospace industrial processes automation. Consistent with its innovation philosophy, MTorres has developed its own digital twin, offering useful virtual tools from the product concept phase. The Torres Digital Twin software platform also provides simulations of complex production systems in changing environments to allow the early and optimum production means configuration well ahead of the actual investing time. The Torres Digital Twin TDT provides a product design cycle time reduction, a shortened machine setup and operation, earlier stage processes decision taking, overall product quality improvement. These characteristics makes the TDT the optimum platform to develop a new product, defining, verifying, optimizing and validating its design, production and operation environments. But how does Torres Digital Twin work? All our products feature the necessary sensors to monitor the key process parameters, providing the digital assets which are the base of the virtual plant. Sensors such as online inspection system, based on artificial intelligent advanced algorithms and neuronal networks, allows the product digitation, ensuring process traceability and product quality, and fully removing manual inspection routines. By applying a prescriptive analysis, TDT builds now models that predict the future. The obtained correlated data analysis provides knowledge about the manufactured product, providing relevant information for the design office. The production processes for continuous improvement by interacting with the customer mess. And equipment performance, their behavior, capabilities and evolution to optimize their maintenance management and to anticipate the need for future improvements. The experience and capabilities of MTorres through the TDT platform allows us to accompany our customers throughout the life of the project, from the earlier concept phases to its implementation, startup, operation and the manufactured product continuous update. MTorres, inspiring progress.